kaka-check-in ko lang dito sa Ibis Bangkok in Silom. So nasa Silom area siya. Ang nearest dito na train station or BTS station is yung Sala Daeng So alam ko, Sala Daeng. Tapos, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung room kasi sobrang natuwa ako sa room niya kasi sobrang linis, ang ayos. Well, yun naman talaga yung ini-expect natin because this is managed and under Accor Hotels. Yeah, I'll show you the room. Okay, so let's start first sa door. So the usual, of course, you have here your another lock. So yun yung may chain. Tapos meron ditong lock again and dalawang lock. May chain tapos meron ding lock din here sa baba. So double lock siya. And then you have your master for electricity. So pag naka-on yan, so lahat gagana. Hindi na yung nilalagyan ng card. Foyer, yan yung ilaw dito sa unahan. And then, of course, this one, your peephole. Peephole ba tawag dyan? Or this is para makita mo yung nasa labas. And then, right beside the entrance door is your open cabinet. So, sobrang linis lang yan ng open cabinet kasi meron ka na dyang hangers. Ito yon for pants, for t-shirts. Then you have your emergency light. And then you can put here your luggage. So, lalo na sa akin, I have a big luggage whenever I travel. Mas madali ko ma-open, makukuha yung gamit ko dyan kasi may lalagyan na ng gamit. And then you have your safe, your vault. So if you have important things, you can put it in here. Lalagyan ng shoes, slippers, and then extra storage in here kung ano man yung lalagay nyo dyan. And then dito sa taas, okay, hindi siya nabubuksan. And after that, you have here, katabi mismo ng open cabinet mo is your big mirror. So yan na kasi yung sink mo. So magkatabi yan. So the usual, ang ganda actually, tsaka ang linis nitong sink nila. You have your hair, body, and face wash. So pwede mo siyang gamitin for the face. Wow, panghilamos. All in one. Okay, so pwede din siyang hand soap. And then you have your two sockets in here. You don't need a travel, yung kino-convert pa, a travel adapter kasi 220 volts to. We have a 220 volts here. And then you have your light for your Vanity light and then Cove light, which is dun siya sa may cabinet. And you also have here mirror, of course, if you needed this, then you can use it. Then you have your 2 hand towels. And on the other side, right beside your sink, is your sort of like mini amenity area. You have here your kettle. So if you need hot water, then you can use your kettle. Then you have 2 bottles of drinking water. So I assume that this is for every day. So they will replenish this every day or daily basis. You have 2 mugs for coffee and then 2 glasses. And then as well as you have your Coffee Mate creamer coffee sugar. So this is natural sugar, and then 2 teas, which is Ceylon tea. And then dito sa baba is your mini fridge. Of course, if you have fruits or drinks that you bought outside, then you can put it there. Then you have your extra drawer here, which is for the blower. Next stop, beside your mini amenity area. Oh, by the way, meron din dito dalawang extra socket. Ang dami niyang saksakan. So if you have a lot of gadgets, you'll be able to charge it all at the same time. You can charge all your gadgets, phones, all at the same time because you have 4 just for this side. And then you also have your television here. And then you have a big space below your television. So you can put there your extra baggages or extra luggage. that you may have. So for my case, my friend is not here, so he'll be picking up his luggage later. And then, yeah, you can put it there, or extra things that you may have, you can put it there. And then right beside your television set is your working table. So the working table is just minimalist. It doesn't consume a lot of space. However, it's functional, which is really important. As long as that your working table is functional, then I'm good with it. Then you have your extra socket in here, 220, and then you have your USB socket. So if you have chargers, which is USB type, so you can put it there, tissue, and then your smooth edge table, and then cute phone. So it's like 90s 80s, you know, phone. And then you have your super cute chair, so you can work here, put your laptop, work here, or you can use it whenever you'll be eating something. Let's say you'll be having your lunch, or you'll be ordering some food from downstairs or from the hotel restaurant, then you can eat it here as well. And then let's go on the beds. Okay, I haven't tried it yet because oh my god, the beds are comfortable and soft. And as per the pillows, I've already washed my hands. The usual pillows, okay, hotel standard pillows. And look at the design. I really like the vibe and ambience of this room because it's sort of like homey, modern, and chic style, you know, interior. So I also like the designs as well, and the lighting. Most importantly is the lighting. They've used, I think it's not super warm lights, so it's good for the eyes. Hindi siya yung parang nakakasilaw, alam mo yun. And then, 2 twin beds yung kinuha ko kahit mag-isa lang ako kasi ito yung so far pinakamura na lang room. And then you have your mini side table in here. So that's the side table, and you also have extra sockets again, plus USB. So you can use, okay. You have your switches here as well. Let's say you're about to sleep. You can just switch this on so that the lights will be turned off. Instead of going to the door just to switch off your lights, you have it here right beside you, conveniently right beside your bed. So that's very well thought of. Aside from the beds, of course, it's comfortable, clean so far. You have your cute side table here, and same on the other side. You also have here one socket, 2 USB type sockets, the master switch, and as well as the night mode. I don't know what it does. And you also have here a reading light. So if you'll be reading a book, or if you'll be working in your bed, you can turn it on and just use it as is. Just like that. Okay, we can now go to the bathroom. So for the bathroom itself, you have your extra hook here, so you can put here your towel. And then, of course, the usual, you'll be given 2 extra towels. You'll be given 2 towels. And then look at the shower area. It's clean, and it's modern looking as well, and it looks well maintained. I don't see any flaws yet. I don't see any red flags in this room. For me, it's all good. So far, so good. So we have 2 shower heads. The rain shower type 1, and then this one, which is handheld. And then you have here your switch, and then same with your the other one and of course this one as well, your hair and body. and face wash, all in one wash. And then you can put here your soap, whatever that you'll be putting in here, shampoo or whatnot. So that is your shower area. And if you go here, you'll see the controls for your air conditioner. So you can control it in here, in between your shower area and your toilet, bathroom lights, and then toilet lights. Okay. So for the toilet, for your bathroom or toilet, you have a bidet, which is important, and then clean and aesthetically designed bathroom, toilet, and bath. No, aesthetically designed toilet room, and you have 2 tissue roll, one for extra and then one is for currently that you can use. And if you close this one, it will be transformed as your OOTD mirror. Okay, so of course before you head out, you want to check if you look good, if your outfit is fitting well, or if you look good with your outfit for the day, then you can use this big mirror, which also the door for your toilet. Now that you've seen the whole room with a room tour, all I can say is that I can definitely rest well in the room. I've given you the room tour already, so hope this helps. If ever that in the future you planned or you have plans to book this hotel as well, the Ibis Styles Bangkok Hotel here in Si Lom area. Bye!
Good job!